So here's my red Norlands. They have died back, and I want to use this container, see if I can get another harvest in before the winter hits. Um, So, gonna pull these out and see what I get. They sold these to me for 30 cents. And they are a wreck. Look at these potatoes. But I'm going to give it a try. Why not? I'm up for a challenge. I might be doomed. I might be crazy. But I'm doing it anyway. Wish me luck. So, I planted all 12 of those beat up tubers in this 17-gallon container. I threw in a couple handfuls of worm castings, and then I planted the tubers, and I've just topped it off with this Ace Hardware compost manure. And I guess we'll see in a few months, 3 months time. Today is, I believe, August 1st. Wish me luck. For 60 cents. We'll see what happens. Alright, bye. Alright, so they also gave me, up at Walmart, these onion sets for 30 cents each instead of $3 each. And they're pretty busted. But I'm going to give it a try. I'll take the ones that seem, the hardest, the most solid, and see if in, 3 months I got myself some baby onions. I did the same thing that I did with the potatoes. I threw in some worm castings, threw in some compost, gonna mix it all together, plant the onions, let her rip. So wish me luck. On second thought, I was thinking, the tomatoes that I had in here, I think they were the 2 silvery fir trees was in this container. And then in that container, I had planted potatoes prior to putting more potatoes in it. But I was thinking, the soil is probably pretty depleted because both of these things were in these containers, growing in these containers for several months. And so I decided to go ahead and also add some trifecta, 5-10-4. I figured since it's relatively low in the NPK, I couldn't really mess anything up. So hopefully that helps. It gives me a little bit of a better chance. Just scratching it into the soil before I plant my onions. And I'll come back with some sad planted onions that need more than just amended soil. There needs some prayers. Because these bad boys are hit. Where did I put that? Oh, there it is. all done. I planted 16 red onions in here. So I'm just going to cover these all up, water it in, call it a day. Set a calendar alarm for 3 months from now and hope for the best.